Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to add a pop-up window and how to connect your contact form to your email address so that way you're not losing any contact form submissions. Alright, so let's start with the pop-up window. We're going to run our mouse up here to the top left, and when that comes down over to the right hand side, click on where it says add a pop-up. Takes just a moment for it to load up here. There we are. We're going to apply the website style. Great, so here is the pop-up settings window here. We can adjust the margins and height here. This is if you wanted to adjust the raw code. I doubt you'll be jumping into that. The pop-up settings though, however, if you did want to adjust the location, you can. If you wanted to adjust the options on the pop-up window, whether you want it to be on a 5-second timer, you can adjust the seconds here, or if you want it to be on scroll, so that way if I start scrolling down the page, it's going to pop up. Or as I exit the page or exit your website, it's going to, before it exits out, it's going to pop it up on exit. So it gives you a couple different options to choose from here. As far as the presets go, if you click on that box, it gives you almost like adding a new page. It kind of gives you different kind of themes and sections to choose from for the pop-up window. So it's pretty straightforward here. Let's go ahead and choose this one here. Let's see how that looks. Great. So it's pretty simple here, and if you did want to add any sort of elements like you've seen in previous videos, it still gives you the option to edit the photo in the background here, edit the image options, and then same thing over here with the elements. It gives us all the elements as it would, just like we were on a normal web page building it out. So pretty cool stuff here. If you have any questions on the pop-up window, feel free to leave them down in the comments. But before I forget, let's go ahead and connect that email address to your contact form, so that way you're not going to miss any contact form submissions. Alright, so let's go ahead and scroll down to the contact form itself. If we go ahead and click on the button where it says send, let's do that here, and then click on edit. Right now it's going to tell us that it's sending the form to the email address, mike@webmovement.com. You can enter in a custom thank you message if you'd like. Again, this is for submitting it to your email. Again, this send button can be edited to go to a different page or a different link, but in this case for the contact form, we're going to have it set to go right to your email. So as long as you have your email address in there, you will not miss any contact form submissions. So if you have any questions with the pop-up window or the contact form, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.